Before galaxies spiraled, before planets formed, before even the idea of metal existed, the universe was lit by giants. But here's the question. How did a generation of stars, made only of hydrogen and helium, become the engines that shaped everything that followed? The universe before metals, what was it like? Right after the Big Bang, the universe was simple, almost too simple. Just hydrogen, just helium, no carbon, no oxygen, no iron, nothing heavier. And that simplicity changed everything. Without metals to cool gas clouds, the universe couldn't form small stars. Instead, it formed monsters. Here's why population 3 stars were so massive. Metals act like cosmic radiators. They help gas cool and fragment into many small stars. But in a metal-free universe, gas stayed hot. Hot gas collapses into fewer, larger clumps. And those clumps became the first stars. Population 3 giants, 100 to 300 times the mass of our sun. Some may have reached even higher. These stars weren't just big. They were furious, burning through their fuel at impossible speeds. And here's why they lived fast and died young. The bigger the star, the shorter the life. Population 3 giants were so massive that their cores reached extreme temperatures. Fusion raced ahead like a wildfire. Instead of living billions of years like our sun, they lived just a few million years. A cosmic blink. And when they died, they didn't fade quietly. They exploded as hypernovae, some of the most powerful blasts the universe has ever seen. How did population 3 stars create everything after? Inside their cores, these giants forged the first heavy elements. Carbon, oxygen, silicon, iron, the ingredients for planets, for oceans, for life. When they exploded, they scattered these elements across the young universe. Every star that came after, every galaxy, every world, was built from the ashes of population 3 giants. You, me, every atom in your body. We are literally made from the remains of stars that lived before anything else existed. Here's how we navigate the mystery today. We've never seen a population 3 star directly. They lived too early, too fast, too bright. But telescopes like JWST are now searching for their fingerprints. Ancient light, ancient chemistry, ancient echoes. The first stars were titans, brief, brilliant, and utterly transformative. They didn't just light the universe. They changed its destiny. So here's the question to sit with. If the universe itself was shaped by a generation that lived fast and vanished, what might your own brief moments be shaping in ways you'll never see?